The land brings forth love. Without land, there is no villager. Without village, there is no Ukraine. The future of Ukraine is up to landlords. The time of villagers, owners, landlords has finally come. An hour for village, a century for the state. Village Hour. The best contriver in Ukraine. Mykola Mykolaievich works at the enterprise Alpha Farm, that is located in Novotroitsk rayon of Kherson region. He rents out his land share to the same enterprise. I get 1200 hryvnia for my land share. Our salary is never held back. We always receive it on time. I am pleased. Other enterprises, of course, pay less compared to our company. Alpha Farm has started working on the land of Alexandrovka village 5 years ago, so the local community still remembers in what pitiful condition their fields were before that. And how fast the situation started changing when new tenants came in. We now have an organization able to meet competition that provides a better level of rent for the villagers and directly applies new technologies in crop production. This farm was the first in the rayon to start paying rent at the level of 3% from the cost of the land share. And of course it was a great joy for the landlords. Today over 1,000 landowners from several village councils rent their land out to Alpha Farm. This farm in its turn pays over 3 million hryvnias of rent each year. Also, it pays taxes to local budget and helps the village to maintain social environment. Current repair of ambulance clinic, kindergartens, resumption of heat supply, and even supporting the village soccer team, and simple individuals when they need it. Of course, all those activities require funds. Alpha Farm operates on 8,000 hectares of land, focusing mainly on crop growing. It cannot be profitable without irrigation here in the southern area where farming involves certain risks. So on half of the fields, irrigation systems have been renewed. It required quite a bit of investment. The second area of activities is choosing the ideal technology for farming. The farm decided to use no-till technology as the most favorable in the conditions of dry and windy weather. New technology involves using certain equipment. Let's say for deep sloughing, we need powerful tractors for this. For instance, 300 to 500 horsepower. They have to be able to cover large areas and provide good quality tillage. That's the most important. Alexander Zaporozhky has worked on this Bühler Versatile Tractor 535 for 1 year. He says that after Ukrainian tractor MTZ, it didn't take too long to learn to operate it. The hardest part was to get used to the size of this equipment. This equipment works perfectly compared to Ukrainian MTZ, HTZ. This one is easier to work with. You don't get so tired. So you can work for a long time without getting tired. Alexei Slushik used to work on a tractor too. Now he switched to a self-propelled sprayer. It wasn't difficult for him at all. All the information is right here on this instrument board. Handling the sprayer itself is easy. We have this controller, everything is near at hand, so to speak. The boom is switched on and off here. Start, actuation. This equipment was bought by the farm through Amaco company. The two companies have been working together for over 2 years. They offer a variety of equipment. The equipment is reliable, and that's what we are looking for first of all. It has to be able to work a lot and cover a lot of hectares. Second of all, this equipment is economical. Also, it is comfortable to operate for the employees. It's pleasant to work in, it's clean. Basically, it's a pleasure to operate this equipment. New approach to choice of equipment and technology allows using time and land more efficiently. Of course, it impacts the results of the work. Last year, the farm got 3 tons 300 kilos per hectare of soybeans in irrigated fields, almost 10 tons per hectare of corn, and 4 tons per hectare of wheat. The salary of machine operator here is up to 10,000 hryvnia, so it only makes sense to do a good job.